How was it being in a blooper reel?
I am prepared for this.
Do I have something hanging in my teeth?
No, definitely not.
There's nothing in my teeth?
There's nothing.
What do you have to say today?
Cornbread! Awesome dinner!
I'm guessing we're rolling. Mic check. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The barbecue master at the table. Take a bow, sir. Take a bow.
I like sharp knives.
Anything else you want to show me?
We would love to give you a, wonderful little way to figure out what you're saying, which I'm not doing right now.
Is that a burnt end?
It's a burnt end.
Oh my goodness.
We need some quality.
Oh my goodness. Can I show Facebook how good it is?
Do it. Right here, you get a front row seat to watching your pizza get cooked.
How's it going, buddy?
Good.
It's definitely a lot noisier in the kitchen, but that just means we're gonna act a lot more crazy in here.
Cloud 9, man. Cloud 9. I got a bag of sharp things. I'm gonna be happy for weeks. There's not a piece of cheese or a piece of meat that will ever stand in my way again.
Pizza oven.
I'm gonna make cod and scallop coconut curry for my friends in the kitchen tonight. If you have happy cooks, you have happy customers. Without an amazing cook, no customer would come and visit Primal Eats.
I'm always serving orders that I never have time to go cook.
We're gonna keep the electricity on today. I didn't want this.
So, I don't know. I'm thinking about what to order right now. Could I get a rain check on that? Ooh. You're stealing my thunder.
Whoa!
I'm on fire.
This is how we roll. This is how we do. Slicing up brisket and serving it to you.